Welcome to Moonaglow TV!
Hello! Let's learn!
Legs help me walk, my dear. These are my knees. Bend your knees. Down and up we go. These are my feet. Stop, stop, stop. Feet help me move and go. Where is your head? Here it is. Where are your eyes? Here they are. Where is your nose? Here it is. Where is your mouth? Here it is. Where are your hands? Here they are. Where are your feet? Here they are. Hip, hip, hooray! Touch, touch, touch your body. Touch it, touch it, touch. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Everybody touch and go. Touch it, touch your body. Eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Everybody sing it out. Learning every day. Share with your friends. Subscribe to Moonaglow TV.